Hello, today we are going to make pasta using the Mamma Mia pasta machine by Optimum. So let's go. So we'll turn our machine on. We've weighed out our flour. Now we just gently pour the flour in. We don't pack it tightly and we just level off the top. We are going to make one batch, so we've got 1 cup of flour and we're just going to pop that into our bowl. We also want a teaspoon, I believe, of salt. I'll just put a small teaspoon. Okay, and we're going to pop our lid on. Just clean that down. Pop the lid until it clicks and it's secure. Now we're going to get our wet ingredients organised. So we've got 1 egg and I've just whisked it up with a fork, and we're just going to pop that into our liquid container. And always use a spatula not to leave behind anything. And we want 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use any oil that you have in the home. I have olive oil, so that's what I use. Now normally you would use water. We are going to use carrot juice. So we're only making 1 batch, so we only need to fill it up to the 70 mark. Okay, and get a little bit of a mix through. So the beauty about making your own pasta, you can use juiced beetroot, so beetroot juice or spinach juice, and you're going to get a different colour pasta and also nice flavoured. So let's get on to making our pasta. So we're going to turn the unit on the panel, and we are just doing 1 batch, so we will select batch 1 and off we go. So we're just going to gently pour our liquid in. Watch our dough come together. So you want to just pour your liquid in slowly so that it mixes well and doesn't get all clumped through. So now we just let the machine do its thing. Go through cycles of pausing, letting it rest, and then extruding out. So we are making pen pasta today, so we've got the pen attachment in place, and of course we had everything already assembled before we began. Just mixes for the first few minutes and then all the action will begin. a tip when you are assembling your pasta disc for what type of pasta you want to make. Give it a little bit of a spray with olive oil cooking spray, and that will just help with the pasta coming through when it's extruding. So the texture that you're wanting should resemble that, so it should be crumbly, and it's looking about how it should look, and it should start extruding very, very soon. It's very exciting using the Mamma Mia pasta maker. There's so many things you can do with it. You can make pasta as you're watching now. You can also grind your own meat into making it into your own mince. You can juice, which we've also experienced today, juicing our carrots, and you can make frozen treats, and you can also shred your vegetables. There we go. So now she's going to pause a moment, and then we'll see action. So the tool that I've got here as well comes with the Mamma Mia. The ends can be used to clean out the heads of the pasta machine, and also when your pasta begins to extrude, you can cut it to size with it. So there we go. Now we just want to get rid of the first little bit that comes out because it's dry, and so so we are now just going to cut our pasta as it comes out. And do you see, that's how easy it is making pasta with the Mamma Mia pasta maker. Now you will find that making pasta in the Mamma Mia is a little bit drier than making it by hand, but as you see, all the hard work is done by the machine. And I've never made pasta before, so this is pretty exciting for me. And you just do that until the pasta has all been extruded, and then you can cook your pasta. As you see, that's an easy way of making pasta at home, and it's fresh. So we're just going to go through and make the rest of our pasta batch. And you can see that the pen is coming through a little bit better now. So I guess you could even make macaroni if it's going to curl like that. Make your own macaroni cheese. As you can see, the pen is coming out much nicer, staying together. It's looking really lovely. You're really going to love making your own pasta at home with the Mamma Mia pasta maker by Optimum. Thanks for watching.